Creating a scrolling text animation in CapCut on PC is a straightforward process. Launch CapCut on your PC. In the toolbar at the top, click on Text. Choose Add Text to create a new text layer. Type your desired text in the text box that appears. Use the editing panel on the right to customize the font, size, color, and style of your text. Adjust the text duration in the timeline to match how long you want the scrolling effect to last. Afterwards, set the start and stop position of text on screen. For this process, apply keyframes at the beginning and end of text. For precise look, apply preset curves as per your requirement. After this, create a compound clip. Then apply a rectangle mask and some feather. It will provide a dynamic look to your scrolling animation. Play the preview to see how the scrolling text looks. If needed, reposition the text or tweak the animation settings for a smoother effect. Once satisfied, click the Export button in the top right corner.